10, an update to those vandalized bird scooters. Local 24 News has learned the problem with scooter thieves is bigger than investigators first revealed. We now know of up to 80 of these new scooters for rent are out of service and off the streets. Local 24's Dave Detling is live in Overton Square with a look at how the city is handling the situation. Dave, what have you learned?
Hey there, Richard. Well, this is one of the many areas you'll find those scooters. Now, once those GPS systems are ripped out, they're basically inoperable. City Council says it is aware of the problems and they are working on a possible fix.
There's a love-hate relationship when it comes to bird scooters in Memphis.
I'm technically okay with the bird scooters. They look fun. People are enjoying them. It's getting people out of the house. I'm okay with that.
But there's also a dark side.
There's been a pattern of these same kind of abuses city after city after city.
Issues like personal injury. Tabitha Birchfield tore her meniscus flipping over a bird after riding over a trolley track on South Main. In Millington, neighbors told us up to 80 scooters were vandalized. The GPS trackers were ripped out and thrown on area lawns near Shelby Forest. Vandals did the same to more scooters in Overton Square. Memphis City Council says it is aware.
We hear certain issues and complaints throughout the city about individuals leaving scooters in the road and not necessarily on the sidewalk.
The shared mobility ordinance could help. It would strengthen city control over the scooters. But City Council says it is still working on it.
Just want to make sure that the ordinance is solid, making sure that we cross all our T's and dotted all our I's. We want to indemnify the city from any liability from incidents that may occur with these scooters.
What the city is doing, painting bird parking spaces on area sidewalks. It's a small step to help curb some of the issues, but community activists say the move is just a Band-Aid.
And cities like Nashville have banned the scooters for similar problems because they are in the public right of way. Actually, a judge got involved in Nashville. Now, as for that ordinance, no timeline as to when it will roll out, but City Council did reveal that other vendors of mobility items like scooters and bikes are also interested in bringing their products to the Bluff City. We're live in Overton Square. Dave Detling, Local 24 News.